Most people think that high blood pressure is caused by high intake of salt, high levels of stress, smoking, etc. But what they don't know is that even when people are diagnosed with high blood pressure and they are asked to remove salt from their diet, to do things to lower their stress or to stop smoking, still their high blood pressure is not controlled. And even so, many people who don't have these risk factors in their life still get high blood pressure and have no idea what caused it. It's also interesting to know that hundreds of thousands of people around the world have been diagnosed with high blood pressure and yet have recovered from it completely without the use of medications. Why is this? Why doesn't conventional medicine know what really causes high blood pressure and how to cure it? The only thing conventional medicine does is take remedies, medications to lower the blood pressure, control it, but they don't know what to do to cure it. They consider it a chronic disease and uncurable disease. In Bodhi Medicine, we teach an integrative approach where we address the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of a person, their lifestyle, their diet, and many more elements that are very important to understand what are the causes of a certain imbalance in the body. From this approach, I'm going to share with you one of the key elements that is one of the most prevalent causes of high blood pressure in the population today. And this is when a person lives a very unique situation in their life that is unexpected, is very strong, can be shocking or traumatic. And in that unique situation, there is presence of liquid, of water. What does this mean? This means that a person has experienced a very strong, impactful situation. When there's presence of liquid, meaning they are swimming, they're in the shower, they're washing dishes, it's raining, etc. This activates a very specific survival program in the body that makes the person activate a response in the kidneys, releasing stress hormones that will increase the blood pressure. This is a response of the body in order to help us deal with the excess liquid that the body is perceiving. Now, in this video, it's difficult to explain all the details about this, but if you have high blood pressure or if you know somebody, I bet you can ask them and they can see in their life history the moment when they started with high blood pressure is most probably coinciding with a very stressful or shocking event where there was water or liquid present. Or in some situations, there are many events like this in their life. This also explains to us why in many people high blood pressure is not steady, is not constant. It doesn't mean that somebody that has been diagnosed with high blood pressure has the pressure high all the time. It comes in different moments in their day, in their life, but they don't know why certain moments are the ones that the blood pressure rises. And that has to do with the situations that they experienced, these strong, shocking situations. And there were elements present, like water, that create a memory. And when these people in their daily life are again in contact with water or in a very similar situation, the body responds automatically and increases the blood pressure. It's like a memory that is stored in the body, in the immune system, in the nervous system. Now, when we explore in depth each one of these situations that a person lives and we work with it therapeutically, we can release the shock, the stress, the trauma, or the tension that is still locked inside the body, in the kidneys, in the arteries, in the central nervous system, that allows then for the whole system to come back to harmony. And then it doesn't need to respond constantly with a survival mechanism from the sympathetic nervous system. There are other situations that can create a rise in blood pressure that have to do with the heart, with the ventricles, with the auricles of the heart, with the arteries of the heart, with the thyroid, that have unique situations that trigger them that conventional medicine has no clue about. All of these situations we explain, we teach in detail in the Bodhi Medicine courses. Anybody can learn them, and this gives incredible tools for anybody who wants to deal with their own physical symptoms or that wants to support somebody else. If you want to learn more about this, join us in one of the Bodhi Medicine courses.